What is up, everybody? I hope you're doing fantastic. Today, we'll be looking at the first I am statement of Jesus. Now, this takes place in John chapter 6, in verse 35 specifically. He says, Jesus said to them, I am the bread of life. Whoever comes to me shall not hunger, and whoever believes in me shall not thirst. And the reason why this is extremely significant is because Jesus is claiming to be the only source of life. He is saying, I am the bread without which you will perish. If you do not have me, you will surely die. And this is important because Jesus is the fulfillment of the wilderness manna. He's the better manna, the sustaining manna, the unfailing manna. In Israel, in the time in the wilderness, Israel had to continually receive the manna over and over and over. But Jesus is the perfect manna that when you receive him through faith and you are clothed with his righteousness, you are secured. You have life and life eternal. But it also is a declaration. This statement is a declaration of Jesus' deity. He reaffirms his godhood because only God can forgive sins. This is amazing. This statement is so theologically rich. But lastly, one thing that I want to point out is this statement is a result of Jesus knowing that people have misplaced hunger. He is saying, yes, it is important to have food for the body. Your body must survive. You must eat. But it is more important to have the bread of life. So in terms of priority, Jesus being the bread of life, the eternal bread of life, this is more important. I hope you learned something new, and I hope you have a fantastic one. Ciao. Drop a like, drop a comment, and please subscribe. Thank you.